Welcome to PÖTTINGER headquarters in Grieskirchen. PÖTTINGER machines are known worldwide for delivering the best working results. The prerequisites for achieving the best working results are created during manufacturing. We're going to take a closer look at that now. Our machines not only have PÖTTINGER logos on the outside, they also have PÖTTINGER know-how on the inside. This is possible because we manufacture a high proportion of our machine components in-house. The raw materials are sourced from well-known manufacturers in Austria and Central Europe. The various cutting machines in the workshop are supplied from the material storage area. This is where thin sheets are punched fully automatically. At the same time, the parts are shaped and recesses are punched in. Here, for example, steps are being manufactured. Most parts are cut by our state-of-the-art laser cutting machine. It can handle plates up to 25 mm thick. Supplying the cutting machine with new material and removing and sorting the parts are automated to a large extent. The advantage of laser cutting is that it is very accurate and at the same time is reliable and efficient. Our laser cutting machines operate automatically for up to 7,000 hours per year. After cutting, the process continues with edging, bending and pressing the parts. This is done by hand as well as automatically. Robots generally handle the manipulation of heavy parts. Welding machines are extremely important, especially for manual arc welding. We need to ensure the accuracy of each component. In-house manufacturing at PÖTTINGER even extends to gears and gearbox parts. These are manufactured in our mechanical engineering workshop. Components go through each stage of processing here. Most of these machining centers operate almost fully automatically. The employees here are mainly for programming, setting up and keeping the systems running. This is where quality assurance comes into play. Here, components are taken from the manufacturing process according to a defined system and inspected in detail. The PÖTTINGER quality assurance team ensures the components are made to a consistently high level of quality. The latest technology is used for the measurements, including dimensional accuracy, hardness and many other parameters. We now leave the parts production area and go to the pre-assembly area for the disc mower cutter bars. The highest accuracy in manufacturing and assembly processes are extremely important for ensuring the smooth running of the cutter bar. While these cutter bars are off to be painted, let's take a look at the in-house apprentice training workshop. PÖTTINGER's future technicians are trained here in the apprentice workshop. They learn engineering know-how using modern workstations and equipment. At the same time, the apprentices also handle tasks directly on the production line. As a result, technicians get to know all the processes during their apprenticeship and are prepared for the next stage in their career at PÖTTINGER when they take their final exams. From the training workshop, we move on to the painting line. Our machines have extremely high quality paintwork. This is achieved using cathodic dip priming. Excellent corrosion protection and a uniform layer build-up right into all the cavities are the advantages. Powder coating is used for the top coat. This coating provides the paintwork with very high durability and elasticity. The surface finish not only looks great, it is also extremely tough. No other farm machinery manufacturer offers the quality of paintwork provided by PÖTTINGER. Beyond the painting line, the components are prepared for assembly. Here, the various parts for each machine are put together on a kitting trolley. At this point, the bought-in components are also added. In the end, we have a complete kit for exactly one machine, precisely with all the equipment options specified by the customer. Before assembly begins, all the key component groups are subjected to a drive test. This applies to the loading unit on a loader wagon, for example, and a mower cutter bar. All the parameters are documented on special test rigs. Assembly at PÖTTINGER is carried out on various assembly lines. Each of these lines specializes on one group of machines. Let's take a closer look at the front mower assembly line. At Station 1, we start by connecting the frame and the cutter bar. In the background, you can see all the other parts for this one mower on the kitting trolley. The kitting trolley travels with the mower right up to the last station. Because we manufacture to order, almost every machine features different equipment options. It is very rare that two machines in a row on the assembly line are identical. While this requires the technicians to be highly trained, it also makes working on the assembly line at PÖTTInger more varied. At the end of this assembly line, the front mower is finished and the kitting trolley is empty. Another quality product leaves the PÖTTInger plant. The machines are held in this storage area until they are delivered. This is usually only for a few days. With a production output of well over 100 machines per day, it adds up to a fair number of machines. In the loading department, our team load up to 40 trucks and containers every day. This is the result of well over 1,000 employees here in Grieskirchen. Quality made in Austria.
Z nami osiągniesz sukces.